You're listening to the smooth sounds of Mariachi Real de Mexico. It's helping us celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month today. They're playing for us all hour long. We're going to hear from them in a little bit, so stick around and spend some time and dance.
Makes me wish I had a trumpet. All right, enough of that. Our next guest, the charismatic Colombian-Cuban American chef and the author of Sabores de Cuba, who brings vibrant Latin flavors and personal storytelling to every single dish.
In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, he's here to show us a mix of traditional and modern recipes that highlight the richness of Latin culture. Also going to teach us self-defense, apparently. Chef Ronaldo Linares is here. Hi, Chef. How are you?
What's up, man? How are you?
Seriously, because it's rough out there.
I'll teach you.
I went on your Instagram,
sure.
and you're into the MMA thing and
the
grappling.
a little bit, you know, just kind of.
Yeah, teach me. That's what I need this. I'm fragile. You don't understand.
No, it's all right. We're a little bit fragile. It's a pleasure to be here. How are you?
Good to have you. All right, so listen, we're not going to get beat up today, but we're going to get filled up with good food.
Definitely filled up.
What are we making?
So I'm on two right over here.
Oh, thank you.
All right, and then you're going to be here.
Okay.
So we're going to be making pastelón de plátano maduro, which is a sweet plantain casserole. Thank you. We have the egg frittata and taco dip, but we'll get there in a second.
Okay.
So in celebration of Hispanic Heritage Month, one thing about Latinos, we love food, right? That's like, you can't celebrate one without the other. So this here is pretty much a staple, classic. So it's a sweet plantain mash with cheese and all the goodness. So right here we have a sweet plantain. You want it to look ugly. The uglier, the better in this case. You want it ugly.
Right?
Nice and ripe, exactly. So you're gonna take this knife carefully. I want you to cut 1-inch cubes. While he's doing that, you're gonna have the pastelón, the actual plantain mash right over here, and I want you to spread that over the top. So I'm gonna mix it in the meat layer. So we have the plantain mash. So this gets cooked in a nice water broth with cinnamon stick, allspice, star anise to really bring flavor in there.
So it's a sweet and savory.
So pretty much, yes, sweet and savory. So once that's cooked, we mash it up and we get that right there, JD.
Love that.
You see that right here?
Oh, that looks good.
Look, I usually don't feed guys,
like
but today, JD, I'm going to feed you. Here you go.
Plantain.
Delicious, right? So imagine that with the ground beef or ground turkey.
Right.
Okay. So now, it's all right. We'll finish it. We have unfinished stuff out there. It's all right. We need a little more practice. So we're going to get the mozzarella cheese. So JD, I'm gonna bring this over here for you.
Is that
fresh mozzarella?
Okay.
Yeah. Right. We don't chip out here, right? So fresh mozzarella. We have Parmesan. The reason being is we got the sweetness from the mozzarella. That's all the dairy. One thing about Latin culture, we gotta have dairy. Either milk, cheese, ricotta, chopped cheddar, Oaxacan cheese, queso fresco, which is all where it's at.
Butter.
So it's gonna give butter for sure. Butter's important, man. So it's gonna give a nice sweetness and then savory bite throughout, right? A little bit of the saltiness from the Parmesan. So I'm gonna switch to this over here because I don't want to do any work, right? So you're gonna get the Parmesan cheese. You're gonna go over here.
A nice layer.
So this, once all that's done, we put it in the oven. We just took it out. TV magic, boom, 350 degrees, nicely golden roasted on top. So you're gonna get layers of flavors.
How do you get just the golden brown? Like that is perfect.
That's a great question. That's a great question. You know how? So every 5 to 10 minutes, you're rotating the oven. Because the back of the oven, as we all know, little cooking tip, is hotter than the front. So as you rotate it, you get a nice even crust.
Do you eat this?
Oh,
and
do I eat it? Oh, yeah, but not too much. Not too much. It's a lot of burpees and push-ups. So we're gonna push that over a second. JD, I want you to take some of the shredded lettuce. You're gonna put it on top. From there, you're gonna add some of that green onion and queso fresco.
What's the difference between a green onion and a scallion?
A green onion and a scallion, absolutely nothing. Green onion and scallion is the same thing.
That's what I thought.
So the green onion, that's a trick question. You almost got me there.
I see there's broccoli here.
Yes, so we have broccoli. So let's talk about this dish while you're doing the taco dip. We'll get there in a second. So this is an everything frittata, right? So besides the egg that we have in there, we're gonna have a chopped cheddar and a ricotta. Ricotta is going to add a nice creaminess to the dish and then bring in protein packed, right? Because we need that protein to build muscle. Of course. We got some calcium and vitamin. I think it's very important. I have kids. You guys, you have kids as well. So it's important to not only feed the kids, hide the veggies, hide all that stuff.
Hide the veggies.
To get them going. That's what I do to my kids. I trick them that way, and they absolutely love this dish.
Trick your kids.
Yeah, you got to trick your kids. Don't tell them the truth. So here we go. I'm going to feed you as well. Lady, my wife, don't get mad.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm coming home.
I'm coming home later.
I'm not gonna lie.
That's right. So
that is delightful.
That is good, huh?
I usually don't eat on camera unless another man is feeding me.
Yeah, that's right. So today's your lucky day. So we have the salami here. Yeah. So the salami is it's salty, but it adds a good depth of flavor to everything.
Beautiful,
here.
man.
So thank you. So let's finish off
what
over
else
here.
do we need?
With the taco dip.
I got a little hesitant.
It's okay. So you got this here. You got the green onion, the queso fresco.
Yep.
So we're gonna add a little bit more of the pico de gallo. Wow. So I want you to add a little bit of the pico de gallo here. I'm gonna switch. Oh no, not to that. Then we're gonna ruin the dish.
Right.
What are we doing, man?
That's my job.
Yeah.
That's our nice before and after. That's perfect.
So we have before.
Yeah.
We have after.
Do you want a dollop in the middle, or do you want it all around?
No. We're gonna spread it out, man. How do you don't want?
Like you're making a pizza.
Yeah, come on, man.
Blue corn tortilla chips.
Blue corn tortilla chips.
Blue corn.
I don't like white corn. It just doesn't have as much flavor. Blue corn is gonna have a little more depth of flavor, and I'm all about bringing flavor to every bite. Yeah. So why not buy the blue instead of the white? And it looks good on camera as well. So we're gonna bring that forward. And one of the other things you're wondering, JD wants to ask me, where do you get these recipes?
Where do you get these recipes?
Ben, you go to savorrecipes.com, and also please put that on there.
Yeah.
Sabores de Cuba. So you go to savorrecipes.com. You're gonna find the pastelón. You're gonna find the taco dip. You're gonna find the everything like frittata and other recipes on there that are not only gonna be healthy, delicious, packed with beautiful protein. Hispanic Heritage Month, it's all up for me. Lots of cheese. When I take advantage, chopped cheddar, ricotta, it doesn't matter.
And we're talking about these for Hispanic Heritage, George, but these are year-round recipes.
Yeah.
Fantastic way to bring like a great meal into your home.
No, definitely. In the taco dip, it's football season. The Giants win, Jets lose. Buffalo, who knows?
Do you make a good Cuban? Do you make a good Cuban sandwich?
Oh, I make a beautiful Cuban sandwich. I have a Cuban sandwich in here that's actually.
We can make a Cuban sandwich right now.
Yes, we are.
Coming up. Chef Ronaldo, thank you so much.
Here.
Pick up a copy of Chef Ronaldo's book. No, yeah, feed him.
One more. Awesome.
Do it. Yep. Follow on Instagram, Chef Ronaldo Linares. Right there. There's his book one more time.